Prophets in Islam series. 25 prophets, one message, one God. Number 23. Yahya alayhi salam. Name: Yahya alayhi salam. Title: The Pure, the Devoted, the Martyr. Lineage: Full name: Yahya ibn Zakariya, son of Prophet Zakariya alayhi salam, born in Jerusalem. Only prophet named Yahya in the Quran, a name never given before. Birth and miracle: born to Zakariya alayhi salam and his wife in their old age. Result of a sincere dua by his father asking for a righteous heir. Allah granted them Yahya as a miracle. Family: no clear mention of wife or children in Quran or Hadith. Focused life on worship, dawah and spiritual purity. Mission and preaching: called Banu Israel to worship Allah alone. Reminded them to follow the Torah and avoid corruption. Lived in humility and avoided worldly pleasures. Lifestyle and worship: led a life of seclusion, prayer, fasting and modesty. Lived simply, wearing coarse clothing and eating from the wild. Spoke with truth and courage, even against tyrants. His relation to Isa alayhi salam. Yahya alayhi salam was a cousin of Isa alayhi salam. His birth preceded Isa alayhi salam. They were close in age and mission, both calling to Tawheed and purity. His status in the Quran: mentioned in multiple surahs, Surah Maryam, Surah Al-An'am, Surah Al-Anbiya. Praised for his piety, wisdom and chastity, even as a child. Martyrdom: martyred by a corrupt king due to his opposition to sinful acts, example forbidden marriage. He stood firmly for the truth and was killed for defending divine law. Grave: believed to be buried in Damascus, Syria, Umayyad Mosque. Special distinctions: only person in Quran directly named Yahya. Honored for being pure, chaste and devoted from childhood. Among those who were peaceful at birth, death and resurrection. Peace be upon him the day he was born, the day he dies and the day he is raised alive. Lessons from his life: courage in speaking truth against injustice. Chastity and discipline are spiritual strengths. Youth can also lead with wisdom and faith. Never be silent in the face of wrongdoing. Key qualities: Hanan, deep mercy and compassion. Zakah, purity. Taqwa, God consciousness. Chaste, obedient and just. All this is backed by authentic, verified Quran and Hadith only. Kindly like, share and subscribe for more Prophet facts.